इंडियन वुमेन साइंटिस्ट्स एसोसिएशन के तत्वावधान में भारतीय विज्ञान और प्रौद्योगिकी में अग्रणी नाम भारत की समृद्ध बुनाई परंपरा का समर्थन करने के मार्ग पर चलते हैं। इंडियन वुमेन साइंटिस्ट्स एसोसिएशन ने स्थानीय शिल्प को बढ़ावा देने और कारीगरों को स्थायी आजीविका प्रदान करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध एक ट्रस्ट पुनर्जीवन के सहयोग से पूरे भारत में स्थानीय बुनकरों द्वारा बुनी और डिजाइन की गई साड़ियों को प्रदर्शित करने के लिए एक कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया। IWSA के कुछ सबसे सम्मानित वैज्ञानिकों ने इवेंट में भारत के विभिन्न क्षेत्रों का प्रतिनिधित्व करने वाली साड़ियां पहनी थी, जिसे एक फैशन शो की तरह डिजाइन किया गया था। इस अनोखे आयोजन में IWSA के 37 सदस्यों और कर्मचारियों ने हिस्सा लिया। उनमें से प्रत्येक डॉक्टर चारुसीता चक्रवर्ती, जानकी अम्मल, केतायुंदिनशो, सुश्री ए ललिता, विश्वनाथन शांता, आनंदीबेई जोशी, हंसा मेहता, रिंती बैनर्जी जैसे प्रमुख वैज्ञानिक के रूप में चले। आशिमा चटर्जी और सुश्री देबला मित्रा और डॉक्टर कमला सोनी और अन्य महिला ने भाग लिया। इस कार्यक्रम में बनारसी सिल्क, चंदेरी, कांचीवरम, बालुचरी, ढकाई जामदानी, मैसूर सिल्क, पटोला, हिरलूम गारा सहित साड़ियों की 20 से अधिक किस्में प्रदर्शित की गयीं। फुलकारी, इरकल, बोमकाई, कोटपाड और 2 पुनर्जीवित साड़ियां, पट्टेदी अंचू। इस अवसर पर टिप्पणी करते हुए IWSA की अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर रीता मुखोपाध्याय ने कहा,
Good evening. This was a wonderful evening which the Indian Women Scientists Association's Golden Jubilee celebrations finale day. This is the evening of the Golden Jubilee celebration because tomorrow 13th June we turn 50, complete 50 and move on to the 51st year. So the year-long celebrations, today was the eve and here we have presented a very unique fashion show where the models were, everybody was above 40 and the showstopper was in the 90s. So all of us were depicting ourselves or disguising ourselves with remembrance of the scientists, women from the 19th, 20th and 21st century. So none of us were working or walking ourselves, but we were representing Esther years, those women, brave ones, who broke those days' glass ceiling to be able to give education to the women of India. We were celebrating the textiles, the heritage textiles, and the theme was Weaves to Women. Also, the concept and the program was like an internship program. Young girls from the SNDT Juhu and ITM Kharghar came forward to work under the supervision of designer Dr. Hemlata Jain. And here, of course, on ground it was myself and my members. And these young would-be fashion designers took care to choose the sarees, to drape them in different ways of our country, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat, Bihar, Bengal, Assam, Arunachal, and also did makeup for many of us who never even care or carry makeup. So this was a learning process for them and executing a fashion show for us for our Golden Jubilee celebrations. And we, all of us, sported that we want to make a change, which is the USP of the Indian Women Scientists Association. We always think ahead of the projects in science we do, or may it be even to describe the textiles of India, which were dying, and younger designers like Madam Jain is bringing them to life. And today we were very lucky that we wore 2 of her revived sarees. To date she has revived 50, and the brand latest revival, which is a weave from 200 years ago, was here on the fashion show today.
Dr. Devaki Ramanathan, Member Board of Trustees from the Indian Women Scientists Association. This is the second day of our 50th anniversary function, Golden Jubilee celebration today at IWSA 10 Sector 10 in our own hall at Iftar. The second day has culminated in a very beautiful, uniquely designed fashion show which shows the beautiful sarees from various parts of the country. And each person, some 35 people, we had represented different great scientists of yesterday. I was Dr. Janaki Ammal, Padma Shri Janaki Ammal from the south. I was draped in a Kanchipuram saree. Like that, each one of us got a chance to go to the stage representing a great late scientist of yesterday and showcasing her own saree from various parts of our country. Each one, this is a very unique program, and the credit goes to Dr. Rita Mukhopadhyay, who took a lot of interest to arrange this as a function for this second day, cultural function for the second day. We have one more day and the whole Golden Jubilee celebration will come to an end. Thank you.